What up, what up, what up? Facebook. I'm out here doing a little brim fishing. Look how pretty that water is. I had my wife's cousins hunt extreme outdoors. Got some big catfish, got some big brim out here. And if y'all can look right there, I'm gonna point to it with a pole. There are 3 little brim. If you see him, he got some monsters in here. I know it's a little bit early for me to go live, but hey, it's what it is. I had hunt extreme outdoors up here in it's not too far from Augusta. Hopefully everybody out there enjoying their Saturdays. It's the main pond. I got my wife out here. Say hey, babe. Hey. That's my grandson. Squirrel. Throw the alright. And y'all know who that is over there walking around looking for some popcorn or chips or cookies. That's Mr. Tyler. So, yeah, I'm out here. I was hoping to having a crowd with me today, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna get back to fishing and I'll show y'all. I will hopefully have a box to show y'all with these brim. With that being said, D-Web out.